education session on Kahani by our very own Toastmaster Vidya. As you all know that she is an HR professional. She is born in Baroda, brought up in Baroda itself, and now she lives in Mumbai and here with us asking for parties. And she has been the winner of our Kahani Club contest last year. And guess what? Wait, that's not it. She's been the first runner-up at Eloquence in the Kahani contest. Without further ado, I would like to call her. Tell us how you do the magic, Toastmaster Vidya.
That's fine.
Yes, yeah.
So timer will be shown at 20 minutes red. Right? 18 जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है ना? What is life? A story. And within this story, we have so many stories. In fact, there are two stories going on at a time. One that we live, our life, and the one that we create as an imagination. एक कहानी जो हम जीते हैं और एक कहानी जो हम जीना चाहते हैं. We all love and enjoy hearing, listening, and watching stories, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But is it that stories are just for entertainment or enjoyment? No, right? There are so many purposes that stories fulfill. They're so powerful, they impact mankind. A small example, we are told about moral values, especially in our childhood. But we remember them throughout our life because they were told through stories. Like the farmer who was on the deathbed and 3 sons. Okay, they were fighting for the land. They were given one stick, they were asked to break it, they could. But when they were given bundle of sticks, they could not. The story, unity is strength in unity, right? So we remember that because of stories. So stories are powerful and it can create magic. But it can create magic if it is told magically. And here comes the importance of effective storytelling. How many of you have got the opportunity to hear stories from grandparents or elder people and you still remember it because it was told in that way? Anybody? Me too. Effective storytelling. I'll share a recent incident of storytelling. I, Sanish and Praveen were traveling to Hyderabad to attend a friend's marriage. We went 2 days prior. In the train, we were discussing about the itinerary. One day was given for Ramoji Film City. There was half day. So we're discussing. So we thought we'll leave the option, we'll miss, there's a museum, famous museum, we'll miss it. There's one person sitting in the next compartment. He came to us and started speaking about Hyderabad and the places you should visit and that you should not miss museum, about the things that are there in museum. And one statue, that is Rebecca. And the way he explained the story, why it was built, it changed our thoughts. We thought we should try to manage and go there. That is the power of storytelling. It influences people's decision making. He told the story about why Charminar in Hyderabad was built. He told in such a way that when I saw the building, I saw in a different way. It influences the perspective of people, how we look at certain things. That's the magic of storytelling. But is it that only for those people? No, it's an art and we can master it. So I have come up with few elements of effective storytelling, especially from the perspective of our Kahani Club. So first and foremost, मेरे पास तो कोई कहानी ही नहीं है. मेरे को तो कोई कहानी पता नहीं है. मेरी ये कहानी कौन सुनना चाहेगा? इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है. How many of you struggle with कि story नहीं मिल रहा है? Do we struggle that? But as I told, we are ourselves a story. And we have lot of stories within us. Again, I'll share an incident. You know, I'm always on time for meetings, right? Okay, just few minutes late always. So there's always a struggle from my home to this building. So again, one day I was struggling, you know, auto walas. I was saying, "Bhaiya, jaldi hai." "Haan, madam." "Bhaiya, yahan se cut lo na." "Haan, madam." They are there in their own pace. But last time I got a nice auto wala. Within few seconds, he understood that I'm in a hurry. He was trying as much as possible to move fast. We saw a signal and it was getting like the red signal. भैया जल्दी करो देखो red होने वाला है. Madam, don't worry, मैं try करता हूँ. And we moved and we could clear that before it got red. And we both were happy. Suddenly we were discussing which route to take, so we decided Shiv Sena office scholar route to Vashi. After some time, a car came in front of our vehicle, and he was like, it was not actually moving, it was walking kind of thing. Like the walking person will move fast. And more than me, he was worried. ये कितना slow चला रहा है, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? जो जिनको जाना है, पहुंचना है, क्या करेंगे? As if he has to reach the meeting and he is getting late. And somehow he took, and 4:58 I reached the Agnel building gate, and I was like, and he was also like, that much. So I realized people sometimes come in our life and they unintentionally help us to reach to our destination. So what I want to say here is that we have so many incidences in our life. Within that incidences, we can create a story. Okay, we just have to focus, look at our past, and we have such incidences. Or if we don't have, these are all stories sitting here. Okay, we can share their stories. And if still we don't have, इमेजिनेशन के घोड़े दौड़ाओ. ओके, कुछ भी स्टोरी हम बना सकते हैं. एंड इफ स्टिल वी डोंट फील दैट वी डोंट हैव अ स्टोरी, देन देयर आर ऑलरेडी सो मेनी स्टोरीज टोल्ड, written, shown. We can use those stories from our perspective. Now you might be thinking, सुनी हुई स्टोरी कौन सुनना चाहेगा? How many times Lion King has been made? How many times Mowgli has been made? Cinderella have been made number of times through number of formats. Still people watch it whenever it comes because it's from a different perspective. So you can have your own perspective and create a story. Okay, how I got my story last year, for my last Kahani contest, I got an information that a person died and the entire family was dependent on his income and him. I took that and I created a fictional story around it. So we have two types of stories, real story or a fictional story we can create. Okay, so from Kahani perspective, there's no compulsion that it should be original. Okay, you can create a story or you can use that a story. There are 10 points for originality, but there's no disqualification from Kahani contest point of view. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. The second thing is purpose. Now it may seem theoretical purpose, but it helps to create a story. I had this idea, I thought of what I want to say or give as a message. I thought today we have life, tomorrow we don't know, so live for today. Considering that purpose, I created a story. Okay, so think about what message you want to give. If you don't get any idea, just think about the message that you want to give and you may be able to, it will help you to create a story. The third is the theme. What feel you want to give to the audience? Okay, what theme you want to show? Is it humor or is it tragedy, anger, sadness, happiness, adventure, inspiring? What you want to give to the audience? If you are somewhere clear on that, you will be able to create a story around that. Okay, so try to find out what is that you want, feel that you want to give. The fourth is the structure, very important aspect. As like a message, the structure of the story should have a beginning, middle and an end. Because story can't just be vague. There are some actions going on. That's why it's a story, right? There's action going on. That's why it's a story. So there should be distinct beginning, middle and the end. So bring transition to show clearly. When you are clear, the audience will clear. Now there is a concept called plot in story making. What is it? Flow of events. Okay. So once you have got an idea, write down whatever possible, even write nonsense, but write nonsense, but write it. Okay, all the flow of ideas that you can get. A standard or a classic plot points are, it has a setting, that is the beginning setting, it has action in the middle, then climax and the resolution or the message. What can be the beginning of a story? It can be the setting, where the story happened, what are the characters, what is the background, okay, and or it can be an incident. कहाँ से शुरू हुआ, कुछ incident हुआ और वहाँ से story start हुआ, and then the action, because of this incident something happened, and then the climax. हम आधे में स्टोरी को नहीं छोड़ सकते, स्टोरी में कुछ तो उसका एंडिंग होता ही है. So end with a climax. It can be with twists and turns that you can use creatively. And then a message. Tell me a story that doesn't teaches us something. Is there a story? There's always a story that teaches us something. So when you learn it, give it to the audience. So there has to be a message. Okay, so that is plot points. Another important aspect is character. Okay, who runs the story? The characters in the story, right? We need to, you know how it is done in movies? Movies में हर character को, every character is defined completely. Like even if it is not used in the movie, what they eat, what they would like to do, sleep, dress up, everything. Even if it is not used in the movie, so that we get a perspective of the story. So similarly, it is a 2 to 4 minutes story only, but still we need to understand ourselves, understand the character. So write about the character as much as possible, because it's the character that will run the story. Okay, so bring the character alive. Then we have conflict. What is conflict in storytelling? स्टोरी है तो प्रॉब्लम है, उसको बोलते हैं कि स्टोरी मतलब टू पीपल मेट, दे गॉट मैरिड एंड दे लिव्ड हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर, नहीं ना, हमेशा बीच में कुछ तकलीफ प्रॉब्लम होता ही है. सो इन स्टोरी टेलिंग एन इफेक्टिव स्टोरी इज देयर व्हेन यू आइडेंटिफाई दैट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड यू आर एबल टू प्ले विद दैट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. Okay, so identify what is the conflict in your story and work on it, and it will be an effective story. Your theme can be based on the conflict, or your conflict can be based on the theme. So try to understand what is the conflict. Another important aspect is star moment. So try to find out a star moment in your story. What is the star moment? That particular incident that people will remember always. Okay, it may not be there in your story. If it is not there, try to find out. It is only then when your story will be engaging. In my story, which was the death of a character, okay, my star moment was when the character identifies, oh, मेरी death हो गई है, what will happen to my family? That is after the death, Atma. Okay, I feel that was my star moment. So identify that star moment to make it more engaging. Okay, what else? Then we need to see that we don't overburden our story. Okay, we need to see that whatever is not required, we remove that, and whatever is required is only kept. Show it, don't tell it. So what is the concept of effective storytelling? You're telling it, narrating it, but don't tell it. Show them it. How? When I said the story of that incident about the auto and me traveling, okay, so you show them with the action, you show them with the characterization, how I could not specify it, but how the auto wala looked, how his expression was there, what was he doing. So don't just narrate it. Okay, show the audience, let them transport to your story, let them see your story. Okay, be there in the story. That is one thing. Put surprises, twists and suspense. Okay, that will create enthusiasm in the audience. It can be during the end, middle or beginning, but try to put some surprises, suspenses and twists in your story, especially if it is a thrill, adventure or humorous story. Then point of view. How you want to narrate your story? What is point of view? How you will be narrating your story? Any idea? Exactly. Okay, so how you want to narrate it? I and Raju went to the park. We saw a blue box. We got surprised and we went near to it. It is first person point of view. Okay, that is one way of narrating it. What is the second way? Raju and Ram went to the park. They saw a box. They were surprised. They went near it. Third person. Or you can enact it. Come on, let's go to the park. Hey, what is this box here? Blue colored. There's something weird thing. Okay, you enact it, and with that you can add on the other aspects also. Like in my story, I enacted it, but after a certain point, it was first person narrating it the rest of the story. So you can have your point of view, how you want to narrate. Try everything before you actually come on the stage and see which one best goes with your story. Plot points, okay, they have not necessarily they have to be in chronological order, like the way the events went. Okay, it can be in any way that you want. You show first the climax, the ending, and then you go to the past, and then you come back to the present, and then you come back to the climax. Okay, that is also possible. You speak about the middle, the action, you go to present, past, the way you want. How I went was, I spoke about the present, where I was at that moment, the character, where it was. I went back to the past, where the character, like what happened, and then again came back to the present, the climax, and then the message. So that is how I went. You can experiment the way you want to. Okay, it is not, there's no compulsion how you want to do it. The last, no, not the last, delivery. This one aspect that I believe completely in. There are people who give weightage to delivery 30%, 40%. I am a person who gives 50%, 60% weightage to delivery, because you might have a great content, but where it can fail? Delivery. Okay, if you don't deliver it, the audience may not get that story. Especially because what are you narrating? A story. It's not a normal speech. It's a story. So in real life, if you are having good time with your friends, what you'll do? Laugh out loud, right? So in story, what you should do? You should express it. You should laugh wherever required. If you are met with a tragedy, what you will do? You will cry in real life, right? So in when storytelling, what you should do? You should express it, okay, as much as possible. How it feels just standing here and narrating, ऐसा ऐसा हुआ, मेरे साथ problem हुआ, but it seems that the person is okay. Okay. So how does it feel? Will the audience get that? No. If you feel that, express it. सबसे बड़ी बात storytelling में घर पे शर्म छोड़ के आए और लेके आए हो तो बैग में ताला मारो. That is the concept. Yes. Because storytelling mein you should not feel ashamed while expressing. It's all about how you deliver the story, and I completely believe in it. Okay, use the stage, use your hands, gestures, expression. Only then I feel the story reaches. Otherwise, just standing here, the story may not reach yourself also. So delivery is very important. The last one, practice, practice, practice. Because emotions can come when you practice. Practice in front of mirror. हम रोना चाहते एकदम से नहीं आएगा. When you continuously practice, that is when you are able to emote those emotions. When I used to practice, mine was a tragedy. Okay, so when I used to practice, after every one like giving practice for one time, I had to sit for few seconds because it was tragedy and I used to cry, and I actually used to cry after the entire story. So I had to sit down for few seconds so that I'm ready for the next practice session. My head used to like be very heavy. So practice is the key for storytelling. Okay. Now, there are certain aspects from the kahani point of view, okay, which we need to know. We understood about the elements of storytelling. Now, from the kahani point of view, what are the things that you should take care of? First of all, do you know the timing of the kahani? 2 to 4 minutes, okay, with 30 seconds break. So at club level, the story timing is 2 to 4 minutes with 30-second grace. The language that is used, you can use either completely Hindi, completely English as standalone language, or you can use English the way I have given my session. Okay, you can use both as mixed. I use completely Hindi till before I reach the final level. I got a suggestion that it's better that you use both the language, so I am giving you that suggestion, and in the finals I use both the language. Okay, I used English, so you can use any way. Okay, now for the club level, whoever wins will go to the qualifying round. Qualifying round, like whoever wins, there will be a group made it will be, this qualifying round will be online. So again, online you have to give the same, you can give same story or a different story, and it would be again 2 to 4 minutes with 30 seconds grace. The person who wins in the qualifying round, I think so 2 people from each group, there would be 6 to 7 groups depending on the participant. From each group, 2 people would, whoever wins goes to the third round, which is the social media round, where your recording, which was recorded in the online session, will be uploaded on Instagram, and 6 people who gets the maximum likes will go to the final round, which would be at Eloquence. At Eloquence, the timing is 5 to 7 minutes with 30 seconds grace. Okay, so it's not easy. 2 to 4 minutes we have to like develop a story and present, but it is not impossible. For me, it was first time 3 to 5 and then 2 to 4. Okay, so it is possible. Now, language I told you, there are certain criteria related to how judges will be the judging criteria. So for the concept, the thought process, idea, originality, there will be 10 points for that. Okay, so as I said, originality, you may lose on 10 points, but don't give up the this thing for at least participating. Take up a story and do it, but you may lose 10 points. For character building, as I said, building the character, that is introduction, relevance in the story, there is 15 points. Whenever I think about character, the story, the movie that I feel is, which build the story, character's maximum is Sholay. How each character in the movie was developed. So you can think from that way, 15 points you will get for developing the character. For narrative, that is the building the storyline, curiosity, engaging the audience. That is how much thrill you bring in. Okay, how you build the story. For that it is 30 points. Okay, so whatever possible surprises, suspenses, how do you build the story, you'll get 30 points. Structure, that is as I said, beginning, middle and end, 15 points. For voice, body and props, you can use props in your storytelling, for which 20 points are given, and for climax, that is twist and turns, 10 points are given. Okay, so this is how 10, 15, 30, 15, 20, 10. So this is how the bifurcation for the kahani is done. Okay, it is said that storytelling is a technology. So this technology we should learn because it is used in every aspect of life. लड़की पटाना हो, लड़का पटाना हो, बिजनेस चलाना हो, करियर बढ़ाना हो, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर के बिजनेस में जाना हो, इम्प्रेस करना हो, इन्फ्लुएंस करना हो, इम्पैक्ट लाना हो, फॉर एवरीथिंग स्टोरी टेलिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो प्लीज डोंट मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. इवन इफ यू डोंट नो स्टोरी, टेक अप इट, consider it as a practice session, but do participate. So are we all ready for participating in Kahani contest? Should I give it again? Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you. I've been talking about a lot of elements of kahani, the storytelling. Okay, if it is too much, I'll make a note of it and share so that it's a ready reference for you when you are developing your own story. Okay.
Thank you. Everybody. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Vidya. Was that helpful?
Yes.
Very well structured, very well put. Exactly do's and don'ts of what we have to do, what we do not have to do.